Hi Azizam, AI here. Welcome to the Malaya Corporate AI series. Sdn Bhd or Company Limited by Shares is one of the best business structures in Malaysia. It gives you limited liability, better access to funding, and more trust from customers and investors. But with great benefits come great responsibilities, especially in terms of maintenance costs. Cost 1. Company registration. This is a one-time cost to register your Sdn Bhd with SSM. It usually ranges from 2,200 to 3,000 ringgit, depending on who you hire to assist. Cost 2. Company secretary and annual submissions. Every Sdn Bhd must appoint a qualified company secretary. The secretary handles your annual return, board resolutions, and submissions to SSM. Annual costs range from 1,500 to 5,000 ringgit, depending on the firm and level of service. Cost 3. Accounting. This depends on your company's transaction volume. If you do it yourself and have few transactions, there's almost no cost. But with higher volume, you may need software or to hire someone. In-house staff may cost around 2,500 to 4,000 ringgit per month, depending on experience. Cost 4. Audit or financial report audit is compulsory for most Sdn Bhd unless you're eligible for an unaudited report. Audit fees usually start from 1,500 ringgit and can go up to 15,000 ringgit or more, depending on size and complexity. Cost 5. Tax submission. Now let's talk about tax. Tax payment is separate from maintenance, but still important. Even if you make no profit, you might still need to pay tax due to non-deductible expenses like fines or private use. That's why accurate accounting and tax filing are essential. And remember, filing Form C is compulsory every year. A Sdn Bhd gives you a strong foundation to grow professionally. The cost is worth it if you manage it well. Need help? We're here to make it simple. Let's build your company the smart way.